So here we have November 26, 2008. Let's see, this is a heliocentric view of the solar system, and we have Venus conjunct Uranus. Let's see what's going on in the XAU. Here we have a bottom, November 20th of 2008. Okay, so we've just seen that Venus crossing Uranus causes a bottom. Let's move. Let's move it over to another very important angle, right in between the two of them. Uranus is opposing Saturn, so let's move it right to right in the middle of the two of them. So we have for what day is this? Okay, we have Venus is now squaring the two perfectly. 90 before Saturn, 90 after. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to the XAU. Is it a top or a bottom? The 20th. It looks like here is the 15th, the 16th. It could be that the square had caused this bottom. Okay, let's move. Let's advance Venus. Let's see. Here we are at the. Let's on this conjunction, October. July 10th. July 10th, 2009. Let's see if, because it's opposite Saturn and conjuncting their Uranus, I bet this is major. July 10th. There's the 10th right there. So you can see that is a pretty major bottom. And then it goes straight up. Now let's advance Venus again. Let's see if, let's move her over to the square between these two again. It's going to be 22 right there at Gemini. September 3. This would classically be a bottom here. September 3. September 1, 2. That is you can see right there after the square, it jumps right back up. Let's see what happens when we move Venus to the conjunction again. Now this is where I finally started figuring it out. I made a little bit of money on this one. This is where Venus is conjunct Saturn. I anticipated the drop. Here we are again at October 31. Venus is conjunct Saturn. And let's see what happened to the XAU. This is 2009, October 31. We come in here, here's the 29th, here's the 30th, here's the bottom, October 30th. So we can see that conjunction causes the bottom. Let's advance Venus a little bit more. I bet there should be a top in this area where we have a favorable angle of 20 right there. The 6th of December we should be looking for a top because we have a sextile here and a trine here favorable. So could be looking for a top here. So what happens on December 6th? We have December 2nd and the 3rd is the top. So a little bit early, but should have been looking for a top. With that candle, very negative looking. Could be a top. Let's see. Let's make a prediction here. I bet that the bottom's going to come when we get Venus at 90 degrees between the two of them again. 26 is Sagittarius. There it is.